The 2010 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, tow hitch, stability control, power passenger seat, backup camera, navigation system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.